I'm very competitive. I'm very competitive.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is that our backpack? I'm
good.
Okay, be strategic, Kylie.
I am. This is open.
Are you just shoving it? Hey, what's going on? Wait, she's wearing the hat. That's how Wait, you put on the sun hat.
Can
Can you take this apart? You can't.
Yeah, maybe.
How am I supposed to fit in? How am I supposed to fit in a shovel? Scroll it.
Okay.
No, not the shovel. Not throwing us.
Let me put this in there because it will fit.
Break it? Why do we even punch her? Break it. How? Oh, what? That's cheating. Sorry, I broke the box.
I just am destroying this box.
Doesn't matter.
Looks like Miss Dryer. You guys struggling over there?
And Ariel, you look so beautiful today.
Hey, no, she's bribing
I
you.
mean,
Why are you
wow,
being
I've
mean?
just never seen such beauty in one room.
Something about this feels... Alright, good.
I don't know. Why is he a one-eyed monster? I don't... He's got no eye. He's got...
Do we need the box?
Hello.
Do we need the box? What? I'm not jumping.
All right.
Nothing can be poking out. We won. We won.
Your hat's poking up out the top.
Hey, your potato head isn't even good.
Lightsaber in. Oh, that big one.
Your hat can't be on.
The more you put on your body, the less you have to go through customs.
That's cheating.
Check-in.
We have to bring the bags to the judges.
Okay, judges. This is really good.
And notice, nothing's sticking out of the bag.
Evaluate it.
I need a side view of this. I don't know how I feel about this one. And I mean, it's not fully tucked in because I could still see that. TSA is not gonna let that. Gang.
Okay, so the sombrero is popping out. That's like -1 point.
Okay, that doesn't count. I can wear it.
Hey, they got the plunge. Oh, I don't know why they plunge. Hey, wait.
There's a lot of destruction in this. I don't know.
Hey, they managed to get the.
Oh my gosh, you broke things!
No! What? I used this in the turkey hunt. R.I.P. shovel.
Alright, so just roll your scores in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you guys were a little harsh.
I gave you guys a 6.
You got the shovel in there.
I gave you guys a 6 because I mean it's really cluttered in there, and the hat was kind of sticking out, and you guys broke a lot of things. So I don't like. How are you gonna use it on your vacation when it's broken?
I'm your friend.
No, she's not.
There's just a lot going on, and the hat's just like sticking out too. So like.
Did you guys use this on vacation?
No, everything's broken.
Loki is cleaner than my normal bag. If I have a picture of what my bag looks like, it's dirtier than that.
Oh, exactly.
One thing I'm shocked about, I don't know how you got the shovel in there, and it's like, the only thing that's poking out is a hat. That's the only thing I'm shocked about.
See, Bosco, you're going to prom with us. Don't worry.
Hey, we're grading you guys separately.
Wait, has that been recorded? She's not even gonna make it past security. No, she can't.
Totally
Hey,
past security.
that's a weapon. TSA would not let that through.
They won't even go on their vacation.
Hey!
Judges, we're doing your scores
Okay.
in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, the whiteboard.
And
Whiteboard's
9,
not.
8,
Okay. That kid in the middle is our
Do you want to give explanations or no? Dryer, we got a test.
You're fine. Whoa!
Security. Security.
Security need to take
it. Escort. There's the broken shovel. Hey, try to fix that shovel for me, please.
Thank you.
Time for the old people's bags.
Wait.
All right.
See how there's nothing in there?
Hey.
No, I
Boring
see a
vacation.
Oh my gosh.
I put the cup inside.
Yeah, I see it.
This is like realistic vacation.
Thank you.
That's smart. She put the tissue with the trash. That's smart.
So smart.
I don't want to.
Okay, I see like you're missing things, but other
Because nothing can come out of the back. We're set. We're set.
No.
Instructions.
cheaters.
I know you want to write a 2 out of 10.
Wait, we're not gonna. Hey, don't worry.
Hey, look at the camera.
You look very
Dulce?
handsome and beautiful today.
Dulce's
Thank you.
next class is dryer. She's trying to get a good grade.
Scores in 3, 2, 1.
Bro! All for that good grade.
Okay,
Now
just I know you guys like you guys are creative and like just to wear the stuff and like you put the garbage with the garbage. So
We had more passion. We broke a whole shovel.
That you cannot use on vacation.
Yes, you can.
Do you know how sad my son will be when he can't use the shovel in the
Dryer.
You know what I am.
Wow.
You put on a sombrero and scream "Viva Mexico." That's racist.
I am going to Mexico. I want to go.
That's clean. Like that's like a 10 out of 10. That's like a mom. That's a mom cleanliness right there.
It's okay. It's okay. We did our best.
Whoa. Thank you.
The glaze for them is real. The glaze is real.
Right,
Just
now
wait.
out of
We
10
still love
for
you.
creativity.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You hate us.
Yes.
Can we get some opera?
I'm the judge.
Hi guys, opera break. Why am I blushing?
I'm sure it's fine. Reveal them in 3, 2, 1. 9, 9, and a 20!
Bro.
Do the fake one.
Bosco, you are no longer going to prom with us.
okay, but like I know Suf, I know he meant to be a 10.
But so 20.
It's just really, I think it's really good. The creativity with like the garbage was really on point. And I mean, the creativity with like you guys wearing the stuff like was so like good that honestly, if I was a security guard, I think that would pass. I think that's very good. Hey, no hitting teachers. Hey.
I got one thing to say. It's like if you're in a rush for like 2 minutes, you got 2 minutes. They both did it in under 2 minutes. Like you're not late for that airport. You're making it on time.
You're so right.
Watch out. Ready?
Like I didn't even know she had a baton.
We're gonna flip the table.
I know. See, you're doing it.
Oh!
You know, what was that?
Is real.
I didn't even know the table was gonna flip.
All their items. You're having it. Sticking out. Awesome. Hey, thanks.
Hey, no, we're not doing this.
I didn't even know she had a
Behavior.
pointer.
Just kidding, Dryer. Much love.